Commissar is the title used to designate a political officer of the elite officio prefectus, who serves in the regiments of the Astra Militarum or aboard the void ships of the Navis Imperialis. Commissars are tasked with the duty to maintain the morale of the troops during their massive campaigns. Often in the face of staggering casualties, the Commissar is empowered to use any means necessary to ensure the loyalty and moral purity of his or her charges, including overriding or even executing a regiment's commanding officer if necessary, and so is regarded with a mixture of fear and admiration by rank and file guardsmen, and not a few of their officers. Every Imperial citizen recognises the distinctive cap and greatcoat of the Commissar, whether from hab block propaganda frescoes or grainy Department Militarum recruitment pics. To the masses of humanity, those men and women are symbols of Imperial authority whose sole remit is to ensure that all do their duty in the Emperor's name. Yet the truth of these high-ranking officers is rather more complex. Commissars are recruited from amongst the students of the widespread Scholia Progenium, while the majority of the Scholia's wards go on to become adepts of the Adeptus Terra's various branches or join the Militarum Tempestus. Only the best of the best will be recommended for service in the Officio Prefectus. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.